Hello everybody! Volvo 740-940 Turbo Air Filter Box Clips. They break easily with age. This one here, 35 years young, and all of them in place. Looks like the filter was never changed and the box never opened since new. Yeah. And what is the situation here? This one is only 35 years young as well, and some of the originals are gone. This spot is not ready right away for the substitute. We'll tell you details later. I didn't even dare to ask the dealership for the price of a new box. Probably half the price of the car. The third car, 35 of age, all clips are gone and replaced with another style springy thingy. In this one, non-turbo, 35 years since new. The box cover is held only by gravity and the engine vacuum. The vacuum suck system. It doesn't bother me, since next month I will drop in here the turbo engine. Quite often, especially with age, the plastic tab holding the spring breaks off. Hard to repair. I came with this replacement idea, and it works. The new clips can be taken off carefully, without breaking, from the Volvo S or V70 Airbox filter. Probably other springs will work too. To clip the box all around, we must remove the airbox held by one bolt. On the short side, this gusset must be carved out. Done and testing. Holds! Sweet! This was a spot with another clip, but replacement one doesn't work here. The metal springy thingy is protruding too much, interfering with the air duct. Well, 5 clips all around the box is enough. Introducing the airbox into the car, pay attention not to push this rubber seal into the fender. This opening holds the prong on the box, and the bolt holding the box down. The prong, the bolt opening on a rubber cushion. Air intake. It holds for a few months now, no problem so far. Till next time.